Welcome to the channel. Today, we are going to explore how to manage your gamification settings in the Alison app. This includes showing or hiding XP streaks and the leaderboard if you want to personalize your learning experience and focus. First, open the Alison app on your phone. Once the app loads, look at the bottom menu and tap on Dashboard. Next, on the dashboard screen, tap on the settings icon. After that, select Gamification Preferences. Now, you will see settings for showing XP streaks in the leaderboard. To turn them on, simply toggle the switch next to each option. To turn them off, toggle the switch again until it is disabled. Finally, once you have made your choices, click on Save Preferences to confirm your changes. This will update your app settings and apply your new preferences immediately. Give it a like, share it with your friends, and thanks for watching.